What's up, y'all? It's Dinger. I got a gear for an old Honda four-wheeler transmission I'm working on. Check it out. Guy that gave it to me said he looked all over the United States for this part. Called down to Texas, didn't have any. So what the guy wants me to do is try and weld up some nubs on the end of this so that it slides onto here, just like that. So that's how the transmission engages. This flips up into that, and that's fifth gear apparently. So sheared them off just like that. My idea is to start heating the whole thing up with the torch and then just start tacking it down with this. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to grind those out a little bit first. Don't want to be rolling full. There we go. That blue flame right there, that's what you want. Don't look at it. Just heating it up right now to try and get the whole thing warm so that when I actually do try and weld it, it doesn't just crack. So here's the finished product. Obviously, it is not pretty, and it's probably 50 to 60% of its original strength, but it fits in there anyways. I don't know how much slippage there was before, but we'll go give it back to him and see what he says.